Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a unboxing of the January 2026 Scrap Diva Designs die release. Here is Erica's website and the social media to follow along. All right, so I'm going to try this again. I did the video once and I was halfway through and realized that I forgot to put the Scrap Diva sticker on the front of the package, which we have to do because of, like copyright copying of designs and stuff. So anyway, I had to stop and redo. So let me start again and tell you that there are two stamp and die sets. Okay. This one is called Valentine Stamp and Die Set 2026, and this is it. It has this large stamp that has all these different sayings on it. Now these aren't just Valentine. There's like wedding day. So there's some wedding type things: Valentine, puppy love, smitten, chocolate. So some things could be used for Valentine's, galentines, some for wedding, some for, just like chocolate. You could use that on Easter, whatever. So there are quite a few different sentiments on here. And what's cool is there are 2 pages to this. So inside there is a die that you lay over this once you stamp it, and it cuts all those out. Yay. So excited for that. Okay, and then the next one is called Heart Barcode Stamp Set. And so you get all of these barcode shaped hearts: crafty hugs, happy meal, love you, thank you, miss you, birthday, happy birthday, priceless. Can't remember what the other 2 say, but trust me, there's more than just Valentine's in this also. You could use it for numerous things. So you could stamp your barcode image on this little half one and then layer it up on the full heart right there. So cute. That'll be really cute. Okay, so those are the 2 stamp sets that we have this time. And then the rest of the die sets, we have Disco Ball Cherries. Look how cute that is. That's going to be fun. If you haven't noticed, cherries are the thing this year. Everything you see is cherries. We got Romantic Heart. So that's going to be pretty. Very cute. Looks like you could make a mini album out of that if you want to. So there's that one. We have what is called 3D Bakery Box. Okay, and this one says right here, will work with only extra large die cut machines. So make sure you have one of those. Make sure you be aware of that before you order this one. So this is the pages that are showing, the page that is showing. So we got that one. We have, I'm excited for this one, double ruffle set. So our cute little ruffle strips, this has the layering piece on top. So you have this beautiful kind of scallop type edge on the side of this one, and then you have the layer up for the 2 different sizes. I'm excited for this one. Anybody else who's in the swap with that Rhoda's hosting like I am, I'm excited to hopefully use these somewhere because we have to send in some ruffle strips, so that will be fun. We got Romantic Rectangle. So those are some pretty things. I'm excited to see make something with that one. We have a bag topper, so it's called Love Bag Topper number 2. So we have this cute love bag topper. We also have Valentine Treat Holder Pouch, which is right here. And I think this might be having a different name. I'm not sure. Somebody mentioned that it looks the same as a different one. So this could be changed to a different name. So I'll try and keep you updated on that. But it's got, the arrow and that kind of stuff in there. Okay, and then we have Valentine Words 2026. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably 8 or 9 in there. Looks like we have Babe, Valentine, I can't tell what that one says. I'll get these cut out for you and tell you guys what they say. Love you. So I'll have to tell you what those other ones say, but they're always good, you know that. All right, and then we have Hot Air Balloon Mini Album. Excited for this one. This is going to be perfect with some Maggie Holmes Carousel. I'm going to love that. Okay, and we have Cottage Mini Album. So here's some of the little pieces to decorate inside. It's a very cute. It's a very cute little cottage. I took a peek inside. Then we have 3D Kissing Booth Box. Love that. Heart Disco Ball Mini Album. Fun stuff. We have XOXO border right here. Very cute. Layering piece. And then we got like a scalloped heart. And then we have, looks like a double stitch layer here. Very nice. So it looks like these will be stitched. Looks like there'll be 2 stitched lines inside the heart die cut. So that'll be cute. Then we have Heart Mix, which is a heart plate. So you could make a real fun plate for a card or a box or something like that on the top. So it's going to cut out the hearts, and then it's going to imprint, emboss in the paper this stitched little trail behind each heart. So that'll be very, 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 very cute. All right, and then we have heart bulbs right here, so you can make some cute little decorative bulbs like for a Valentine tree and layer up your little pieces. Very cute. And then we have what's called confetti plates. So here it's a much bigger plate than what like the shaker plates. So, but it's still a plate, and you get all these hearts, and so they're going to be bigger, but they're super fun to to make confetti out of, like for your boxes, your packaging. I even like to put, depending on the size of my shaker, maybe a couple of these bigger pieces in with the shaker mix. So that'll be nice. And there is another plate inside. It is bows. So bow lovers, get ready. And then the last set is called A2 Bow Set. This has 2 pages. There are some different shape, a couple different bows, and like the like the ribbon that would go, like if you're wrapping a package. That's in there too. So very, very cute. Can't wait to play with all these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link Erica's shop. I will list my discount code, so you can make sure to use that. Save yourself some money at checkout. I will also have my affiliate link down here at the bottom also. I would really appreciate it when you guys pick things up if you use my discount code and my affiliate link that shares a little bit of the sale with me without costing you anything more. Please let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd really love to have you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with some projects. Bye, guys.